Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight to the home screen where the icon sits. Press and hold the icon firmly until the interface changes. This reveals drag handles, a remove area, or a context menu. If a menu appears, choose the option that mentions remove or uninstall, because that distinguishes shortcuts from full apps. Once done, the icon will become movable. Make sure to verify whether you see a trash, remove, or uninstall target at screen top or bottom before you drag. With the icon movable, drag it toward the remove or trash target shown on screen. This deletes the home shortcut without affecting the app. If instead you chose uninstall from the press and hold menu, confirm the uninstall dialog to remove app data and the app itself. For icons inside folders, open the folder first, then press and hold and drag the icon out of the folder to the remove area. This clears the home layout while keeping control over what stays installed. After you drop the icon on remove or confirm uninstall, the system completes the action. Watch for a brief animation or confirmation toast. Make sure to check App Drawer afterward to confirm whether the app remains installed. If the icon won't move, it's often due to a custom launcher lock or device admin restrictions. Go to Launcher Settings or Security Settings to unlock. If changes don't appear, restart the launcher or reboot the phone. That usually forces the home screen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.